Love anime but don't want to break the bank or the law? Today, we're diving into the absolute best and legal websites where you can stream your favorite anime for absolutely free. First up, Crunchyroll. This is the undisputed king of anime streaming, and while they have a premium option, you can access a massive library of shows for free with ads. Simply head to Crunchyroll.com, browse by genre or popularity, and start watching. They offer a ton of simulcasts of new episodes, so you can stay up to date with the latest series. Next, we have VRV, often paired with Crunchyroll. VRV is a bundle service that includes Crunchyroll and other fantastic anime and geek culture channels. You can watch a good selection of content for free here, again with ads, providing a slightly different but equally great viewing experience. Just visit VRVCU and explore. Coming in at number 3 is Funimation. Similar to Crunchyroll, Funimation allows free, ad-supported streaming of many popular anime titles. They're especially known for their excellent English dubs if that's your preference, but subs are also readily available. Navigate to Funimation.com to find something new to watch. And our final top pick is HIDIVE. HIDIVE is another excellent platform that offers a significant portion of its library for free streaming, supported by advertisements. They often have some more niche, classic, and even uncensored content that other services might not. Visit HIDIVE.com to unlock these hidden gems. So there you have it, €1 for fantastic, legal, and totally free ways to enjoy the world of anime. Remember to check each site for their specific free offerings, as they can change. Happy streaming!